Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error 0x80070643 Windows Update error in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check the internet connection speed. Go to fast.com and hit enter and check the internet connection speed. If it's good enough, then proceed to the next solution, which is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings. Go to the system tab, scroll down, select troubleshoot, other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. The last solution is to reset Windows Update component. So we have a script for you. All we need to do after this is to search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. This will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and catroot 2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs. It will reset WinSock and it will restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.